So children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve part 2, exercise 23A, part 2 of trigonometrical ratios of standard angles, class 9 ICSE. So we are going to start with question number 7 now. We have done with question number 1 to 6 in the first video. So if you like the video, please share with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We start with question number 7. If sin x is equal to cos x and x is acute, state the value of x. Now we know the identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now since sin x is equal to cos x, we can have this as, in place of this cos x, I can write sin x. So we get sin square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So 2 sin square x is equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 1 by 2. Let us take the square root on both sides. So we get sin x is 1 by root 2. And we know that sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this implies x is equal to 45 degree. Got it? Now same way, let us do the second part over here. If sec A is equal to cosec A and A is an acute angle, that is, it lies between 0 and 90. So it is an acute angle, same as in the previous case. So we have sec A is equal to cosec A. Now sec A is 1 upon cos A and cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. So this is how you get 1 upon cos A is equal to 1 upon sin A. So this, from this we get again cos A is equal to sin A. And using this again, we same process as we did in the first. We get sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Since cos A is equal to sin A, we get 2 cos square A is equal to 1, or cos square A is equal to 1 by 2. Let us take the square root on both sides. So we get cos A is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now we know that cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. This implies A is equal to 45 degree. Got it? So third one, you have tan theta is equal to cot theta. Now cot theta is 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. Now you take this tan theta here, you get tan square theta is equal to 1. So taking the square root on both sides, we get tan theta is equal to 1. And we know that tan 45 is equal to 1. This implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Let's move on to the fourth part of this. Sin x is equal to cos y. Write the relation between x and y if both the angles are acute. Both the angles x and y are acute. Now you are given sin x is equal to cos y. Those of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So sin x is equal to cos y, and cos, this is equal to sin, cos y is equal to sin 90 minus y. Sin 90 minus y, because cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So this implies you get x is equal to 90 minus y. Move this y here, you get x plus y is equal to 90 degree. And this is the relation between x and y. They both are acute. Moving to question number 8. If x is equal, sin x is equal to cos y, then x plus y is equal to 45. Write true or false. Sin x, the first part, if sin x is equal to cos y, now this is equal to sin 90 minus y. Just now we have done. So this is how we are getting x is equal to 90 minus y. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So that is why this statement is false. So this is the first one is false. They have given x plus y is equal to 45. Second one, sec theta into cot theta is equal to cosec theta. Write true or false. So let us solve this further. Now sec theta into cot theta is equal to cosec theta. The second part, sec theta into cot theta is equal to cosec theta. So let us take the LHS of this equation. So sec theta is 1 upon cos theta and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so now this cos theta and cos theta got cancelled, and 1 upon sin theta is nothing but cosec theta, and this is our RHS. So this is why this is a true statement. The second one is true statement. Got it? Now for the third part, it says for any angle theta, state the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta. For any angle theta, the sine square theta plus cos square theta will be always 1. So, state the value. So, sine square theta plus cos square theta for any angle theta, it will be always 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Question number 9. We have already learned in a video trick to memorize the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So for that, you should remember the values of the angles of sine 0 to 90, cos 0 to 90, tan 0 to 90. Here again, we have a table. What do you observe here? Sine 0 is 0 and sine 90 is 1. So as theta increases, sine theta also increases. Value of sine theta increases. What is happening with the cos? As cos theta increases, what is happening? As theta is increasing, now theta was 0, so the value of cos 0 is 1 and value of cos 90 is 0 increases. So if theta is increasing, the cos theta is decreasing. If the theta increases, the cos theta decreases. Can you see that? So when it is 0, it is 1. When it is 90, it becomes 0. So as theta is increasing, the cos theta is decreasing. What about tan theta? So tan theta, now you can look at tan theta is 0, tan 0 is 0, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, and then it is root 3 is 1.732. So what is happening here? So tan theta is increasing. So tan theta increases or decreases as theta decreases. So when theta is decreasing, so we are looking from here. As theta is decreasing, so what is happening? Tan theta is also decreasing. From 90, it is decreasing. So as theta is decreasing, you need to read this carefully. As theta is decreasing, tan theta is also decreasing. It decreases. Got it? You are given sine 60. Now we know that the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now you are given the value of root 3 as 1.732. So 1.732 divided by 2, divide it up and write the answer up to 2 decimal places. So 1.732 you divide by 2, you get 2 zeros are 0, 1, take this 7 down, you get 2 8s are 16, subtract, you get 1 down, 2 6 are 12, again 1 and 2 6 are 12, and then you get the remainder 0. Now when we round up 0.88866 to 2 decimal places, we get sine 60 as 0.87 rounded up to 2 decimal places. Got it? Now 2 upon tan 30. Now value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So it is 2 divided by 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 times root 3. So this is, you are multiplying by root 3 here now. So when you multiply this by root 3, so this is 2 times 1.732. So 1.732 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, carry 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 decimal places is 3.464. So since it is less than that, it is 3.464. When we round up to 2 decimal places, it is just 3.46. Got it? Question number 11. Evaluate cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a when a is equal to 15. Now you are given a is equal to 15. Put here a is equal to 15 here. So we get 3 times 15 is 45. So we get cos 45 minus 2 cos 4a. 15 4s are 60. So 2 cos 60 upon sine 3a, that is sine 3 times 15 is sine 45, my plus 2 sine 4a. So 2 sine 4 times 15 is sine 60. Okay, we are supposed to evaluate this. Now what is the value of cos 45? So we know that cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 minus 2 cos 60. Now cos 60 is 1 by 2, so 1 upon 2 upon sine 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus 2 sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 2 times root 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 got cancelled. This 2 and 2 got cancelled. We have 1 upon root 2 minus 1. So if I take the LCM, it is becoming 1 minus root 2 upon root 2 upon, if I take LCM, root 2 times root 3 is root 6. So it is 1 plus root 6 upon root 2. So this root 2 and root 2 got cancelled. We have 1 minus root 2 upon 1 plus root 6. We will rationalize the denominator. Now while rationalizing the denominator, look, if I am going to make the square of this, 1 square and root 6 square is going to change. So we will rearrange this and we will write it as 1 minus root 2 upon root 6 plus 1. Okay, now let us rationalize the denominator. Let us work out this side. So we have 1 minus root 2 upon root 6 plus 1. So if I am rationalizing, the rationalizing factor is root 6 minus 1 upon root 6 minus 1. So when we multiply the numerators, it is 1 minus root 2 multiplied by root 6 minus 1. 1 into root 6 is root 6. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Root 2 into root 6 is root 12. So minus root 12. Minus root 2 into minus 1 is plus root 2. Denominator you have a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That is root 6 square minus 1 square. So which we get it as root 6 minus 1 we'll write at end. Root minus root 12 is 2 root 3 as I have shown over here. So minus 2 root 3 plus root 2 minus 1, and denominator you have root 6 square is 6 minus 1 which is 5. So final answer is root 6 minus 2 root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 upon 5. Let us start with the second part. Again, you are given b is equal to 20 here. So 3 sine b. So 20 times 3 is 60. So we get 3 sine 60 plus 2 cos 2b plus. So we get 2 cos, and 2b means 2 times 20 which is 40 plus 5 45. So cos 45 upon 2 cos 3b. So cos 3b is 3 times 20 which is 60. So 2 cos 60 minus sine 2b minus 10. 2b is 2 times 20 which is 40 minus 10 which is 30. So sine 30. Let us put the values now. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 3 times root 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 45 is 2 times 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is half. So 2 into 1 by 2 minus sine 30 is half. So it is 1 by 2. Okay. Now this is cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So we have substituted values. Let us simplify it further. Utilize this to make the denominator 2. So multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2 only for this place, we get this is 3 root 3 upon 2 plus this is 2 root 2 upon 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So just 2 root 2 upon 2. Denominator, let us write this as 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, the denominator we have kept it same, remember. So if the denominator is same, we add the numerator. So we get 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 2. So this got cancelled and our final answer is simply 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Got it? So children, if you like the video and it is helpful for you, please share with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Coming up with exercise 23B soon. Have a good day.